Hey foodies, meet the Ninja Krispy, your new kitchen game changer. Reason 1, it's a powerhouse. 1500 watts in a portable design. Reason 2, versatility. Air fry, bake, max crisp, and re-crisp. Reason 3, durable glassware. From freezer to fryer without shattering. Perfect for quick meals or serving a crowd. All in one system. 6-cup container cooks meals in just 7 minutes. Quick and easy, just like scanning the QR code or hitting our link to get it today. 4QT container fits a 4 lb chicken with veggies. Perfect for families. Snap lock lids keep your meals secure on the go. Cleanup's a breeze. All parts are dishwasher safe. Compact storage. Everything nests neatly in your cabinets. Ready to revolutionize your cooking? Grab your Ninja Krispy now. Hit the link below and start cooking healthier today.